In our previous vlog, I already shared with you where we stayed here in Bangkok. And that's in Picnic Hotel, Bangkok. I highly recommend this hotel kasi 1, good yung location, and 2, value for money pa. So if you want to know more details about this hotel, you can check out my previous vlog na uploaded na sa profile ko. Link in the comment section below. Now, in this video, I'll share with you how we commuted from Suvarnabhumi Airport to Picnic Hotel Bangkok. So, if you're traveling soon, eto na ang guide mo para hindi kayo maligaw sa Thailand. Before I start, by the way, if magbubook kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPKLOOK for discounts. Or pwede nyo ring bisitahin ang creator shop ko for more exclusive travel deals. Just search Katipi's Creator Shop sa Klook. Now, going back to our video, we tried to ride a train from the airport to the hotel instead of using Grab or Bolt. Bakit? Kasi unang-una narinig namin na malala din ang traffic dito sa Bangkok. So, to save time and money, we decided to go for the airport rail link. How did we do it? Since Picnic Hotel Bangkok is located sa Phayatay, which is really central to the city, malapit siya sa mga malls at tourist spots sa Bangkok. It was an easy and convenient choice. Now, kung paano nga ba kami nag-train? Sa Suvarnabhumi Airport, just follow the signs for the airport rail link. Madali lang kasi maraming signs na makikita and you won't get lost. The Bangkok Airport Rail Link is a commuter rail line that connects Suvarnabhumi Airport to Phayatay BTS Station and Makasan Station MRT. It operates every day from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So, eto yung mga stations ng Airport Rail Link. Then, since located ang hotel natin sa Phayatay, bababa lang tayo sa Phayatay Station. The fare is just 45 baht. Pagbaba natin sa Phayatay Station, nilipat lang tayo sa BTS Station. Phayatay BTS Station going to Victory Monument Station. Then, from Victory Monument Station, 5 to 7 minutes walk lang and you're already at Picnic Hotel Bangkok. And that's it. Super easy lang, right? So, if you want to save both time and money, this is definitely a great option. I hope this video helped you guys out. And again, if magbubook kayo ng hotels, activities, tours, or anything sa Klook app, don't forget to use my Klook code KATIPKLOOK para magkaroon kayo ng discounts. Thanks for watching and see you on my next travel vlogs. Ayun lang, babush!